There are several strategies you can use to increase your Amazon private label sales. Optimize your product listings. One of the most important steps to increase sales is to optimize your product listings. This includes using high-quality product images, writing persuasive product descriptions, and using relevant keywords in your titles and bullet points. Use Amazon advertising. Amazon offers several advertising options, including sponsored products and sponsored brands. These can help increase visibility and drive traffic to your product listings. Encourage customer reviews. Positive customer reviews are crucial for building trust and credibility with potential buyers. Encourage customers to leave reviews by including a follow-up email after purchase or offering incentives for leaving a review. Utilize Amazon's promotions and deals. Amazon offers several promotional tools, including lightning deals, coupons, and early reviewer program. These can help increase sales and encourage customers to try your products. Expand your product line. Consider expanding your product line to offer complementary products or variations of your existing products. This can help increase your overall sales and appeal to a wider range of customers. Build a strong brand. Invest in building a strong brand identity through packaging design, social media marketing, and customer engagement. This can help build customer loyalty and increase sales over the long term. Implementing these strategies requires a combination of effort, time, and resources. Here are some tips on how to implement each strategy. 1. Optimize your product listings. 1. Conduct keyword research to identify the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for your products. 2. Use high-quality product images, including lifestyle and infographic images to help showcase your products. 3. Write persuasive product descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your products. 4. Utilize Amazon's A+ content to enhance your product listings with additional images and detailed product descriptions. 1. Use Amazon advertising. 1. Set up and optimize your advertising campaigns, including selecting relevant keywords, targeting options, and bid strategies. 2. Monitor your campaigns regularly to optimize for performance and adjust your budget and bid strategies as needed. 1. Encourage customer reviews. 1. Send a follow-up email to customers after they receive their products to request a review. 2. Offer incentives for customers to leave reviews, such as a discount on their next purchase or a chance to win a prize. 3. Respond to all customer reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you care about their feedback. 1. Utilize Amazon's promotions and deals. 1. Set up lightning deals to offer a limited-time discount on your products. 2. Create coupons that customers can apply to their purchase. 3. Enroll in Amazon's early reviewer program to encourage more reviews from verified customers. 1. Expand your product line. 1. Conduct market research to identify complementary products or variations of your existing products that your customers would be interested in. 2. Use customer feedback and reviews to inform product development decisions. 3. Launch new products gradually and test their performance before investing heavily in marketing and inventory. 1. Build a strong brand. 1. Invest in professional packaging design to make your products stand out on Amazon's marketplace. 2. Create a social media presence for your brand and engage with customers on social media channels. 3. Use customer feedback to improve your products and customer experience and build brand loyalty over time. Remember that implementing these strategies is an ongoing process, and you will need to monitor and adjust your approach regularly based on your results and feedback from customers.